Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Rajan Sharma, and today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can we retrieve the stories that we have done in our previous tutorial. So without wasting time, let's start. And in case, guys, if you want to buy the membership, if you want the source code, so I think you should buy the membership. Then it will be available for you. And so, guys, first of all, what here we are going to do is you can see that this is our project social media app using Firebase, and now I think within 5 tutorials I will complete the series. Understand? So first of all, guys, here you have to start open story activity, and guys, here we are uploading the story, so make sure you have given the document reference. Understand? So in my previous tutorial I forgot to do this step, so it may cause runtime crashing, so nothing to worry about. So there is nothing to worry about. All you need to do is just give the reference, and then it will work absolutely fine. Understand? So after this we can proceed for now. So here you can see that this is fragment 4, and there are some changes that I'm going to make in this layout file. Understand? So for source code you can join membership, and then you don't need to then you can easily copy paste the codes. So guys, here I will make this one image button. Understand? And then after this you need to remove this all. Understand? And now here we need a drawable. Yes, so click on this drawable, then new vector asset, and this asset is going to be, click on this, and then add loading icons. Here we have this add, enter, and then I see baseline, add, next, finish. Then after this you have to open this baseline, add, and here just remove this line, and now you need to make it white. I think it's fine. So now we need to give source, that will be add, and now you have to make its height and all 58 dp, again 58 dp. So now you can see that we have this, and now it's time for creating a background. So here you can see that we are having button back. Understand? So you just need to search button back, and then control plus C, then again control plus V, or you can make the uh, mm, create underscore post underscore back, enter, and this time just make its corner radius 40 dp. You have to give the amount so it can make the button completely circular, and I think that will be good for this app. So make it back, create post back. So guys, now you can see that it is a circular. Yeah, and I think it's looking pretty good. Yeah. So guys, now you can see that this button is looking completely round. See? Understand? So now we can proceed. So after this, guys, here what you can do is we don't need to change the id, we don't need to change anything else except this. After this, simply write linear layout and then match parent, and height will be 100 dp, and then orientation is going to be horizontal, uh, then so guys, now after this you have to cut this image button from here, control plus X, then give it inside that linear layout, control plus V, and then after this, guys, we are gonna do one thing is we will use a recycler view, control plus C, and then control plus V, and it will be rv underscore story f4. Now we can understand that it is a reference for the story recycler view of fragment 4. Understand? That's simple, pretty simple. So after this you can give some margin, that will be 3 dp, 2 dp. Understand? And then after this, for now I think this button should gravity, we are already giving gravity, I think. No, we are not giving. So you can give layout gravity, that will be center horizontal, or center vertical will be better. Yes. So now you can see that this is how our layout file will look after doing all that thing. Open design, and you can see that this is how it is looking. So here in this recycler view, we will retrieve the stories that we have uploaded. Understand? So this is going to be quite beautiful. It is not looking now, but we can customize it by time as we want. Understand? So after this, guys, what here you need to do is we have to create a layout file. Yeah, that will be for item layout. Click on this new layout resource file. That will be, so make it story underscore layout, story layout, enter. And here we have to do one thing is activity story. So close this one. Messages layout, there should be no, actually we need a circular image view. That's why I'm doing this. And here we have it. Click on this and then copy this code from here. So guys, those people who came first time to this channel still thinking about that how I'm copying all this stuff, so all you need to do is watch this playlist from the beginning, and then you will understand everything. That's simple, pretty simple. So after this, guys, here after copying that course, you have to make this linear layout, then orientation, that is going to be vertical. Understand? And then control plus V. So now we have this, we just need to change it, so make it 60 dp and then make it again 60 dp, and this will be 30 dp, obviously half, and then alt plus insert. Sometimes actually card prevent corner overlap false, then card corner radius 30 dp. Yes, that's pretty okay this time. Yes, I think so. And then you need to close this one. Yeah. So guys, now you can see that our layout file is almost done. So after this card view, we will use a very basic thing, but make sure change the IDs. That will be iv underscore story underscore f4. That's okay. So after this, guys, we can do one thing here is use a very basic text view. So write simply text view, that will be wrap content, that will be wrap content, and the text size is going to be 10 sp, not more than this. Understand? Then margin will be no margin. Here we will give the text will be user name and then id, tv. So id is going to be tv underscore uname story, username story. Understand? Then obviously we need to give text color and all, so text color is going to be android black. That will be fine, android black. So guys, now you can see that we have this very basic layout, and then after this we can give the gravity, that will be layer gravity center, make everything not like that, and obviously height should be wrap content, and this one should be also wrap content. Yes, now it's pretty good. See, now it's looking beautiful. So, and the last thing that also we need to add is a little bit of margin, make it 2 dp. That will be okay. So guys, now we have the layout resource file for the story. So now it's time to create a view holder class. It will work as a static class. Understand? Click on this, then new Java class, and that is going to be story view holder, and then enter this time, and write extends recycler view dot view holder, then click on this red bulb, create constructor matching super, and now we have a constructor. You can see that. After this, guys, here what we can do is simply write view image view, then text view and text view. Understand? And now we can proceed is public void, that will be set story, create a method, and then so inside this story, guys, what we are gonna do is that's quite simple stuff. Open this story member, and then guys, you need to copy these strings from here, control plus C, and then go back. Why this is showing error? Fragment 4, why it is showing error? uh, That's okay. Yeah. So now after this we can go back where I was. Yeah, story view holder. So after copying that strings you can paste it here. Understand? So make it like this. So you have to make it like this, and then this. Now हाँ तो अब आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने कर लिया. I mean now we can proceed. So you can see that. So actually I'm creating a method that we will call in the fragment 4 activity. Understand? So you can see that this is our number of variables that we are implementing here. So guys, now inside this method we can do one thing, is that simply write image view, and that is going to be I equals to item view dot find view by id dot id dot, and that is going to be iv story f4, and then for text view equals to item view dot find view by id dot id dot tv uname story, and then picasso dot get dot load url, then dot into image view, and then text view dot set text, that will be name. So guys, that is the name of the user who have uploaded the story, and the url of that their profile picture. Understand? So that's all. So guys, after this we can do one thing, is yeah, now we have a layout resource file, and we have created the layout file. So closing this one. So guys, now we have a member class, we have static class, we have layout, and we have created this one. Understand? Now it's time to open the fragment 4 and write the java codes for retrieving data, I mean retrieving stories. So here guys, first of all we need to declare a recycler view, that we are using recycler view, and then recycler view story. Understand? And we need to increase the reference, that will be story ref. Understand? And then guys, here we are using it. So open this story activity, copy the reference of this one, all story. Understand? Then you have to go back in this fragment 4, and then guys, you need to paste that here, all story, and write the story reference here. So guys, now we have the story reference, so also we can do work with recycler view. Understand? So so guys, after this you can do one thing. Here you can see that this is a recycler view for the user post. So after this recycler view story, so we will give reference for that. So write equals to get activity, and that is going to be find view by id, find view by id r dot id dot rv story f4. So after this guys, here we will do is yeah, recycler view story dot set has fixed size, and that will be set as fixed size pass through. It will keep it stable. Understand? And then after this guys, here we will need to write linear layout manager, then linear layout manager equals to new linear layout. Actually we are initializing it, and then get activity. Understand? And then after this again, linear layout dot horizontal comma false. Yeah, that's okay. So guys, you have to follow these steps very carefully, because it will make the recycler view horizontal. Understand? So that's why I'm making the screen like this, so you can easily see the codes. So after this guys, you can do is recycler view story, then dot set layout manager, set layout manager, linear layout manager, then semicolon already है, और उसके बाद हम लिख सकते हैं recycler view story dot set item animator, set item animator, so we can make it new default animator. So yeah guys, that's all. So it will make the recycler view horizontal. So after this we can proceed with inside this you know recycler view adapter. So here you guys, you can see that we have very basic recycler view. So all you need to do is just simply copy the codes of this recycler view, I mean Firebase recycler adapter. And then after copying these codes, let me write this So that's a story Firebase adapter, understand. So inside it we can paste that code, understand. So after this guys, you have to change this to story layout, understand. And now we need to delete these codes because we are not going to implement set on click listener. For now we will not do this, so simply delete these codes from here. Also these one codes and also this is stuff, control plus delete all that stuff, and make this Firebase recycle adapter story. And now from the beginning we will change the options one, not like this, sorry, option one, yeah, that's what I mean. And then after this you need to give here option one, understand. So after this you can give the reference here is story ref and this will be story uh, member. To make it story member, then control plus C, after this control plus V, and now here again control plus V, then here again control plus V, and make it options one. And then after this again story member, and just delete these codes from here. Story member, story member, story member, yeah, it's pretty good. And that's all. So after this guys, you need to change story member, this one last story member. After this here we need to give here is story view holder, then click on this control plus C. Now we need to replace it again and again, control plus V, see, story view holder, control plus V, then control plus V. So guys, now our coding part is almost complete. So you can see that we have implemented the adapter successfully. Here we are using Firebase cycle options story. So guys, in case if you will type recycle adapter and it will not appear on the screen, so what you can do is that you have to add a dependency that is called Firebase UI, and we use this whenever we want to retrieve data in recycler view from Firebase. Make sure its version is dependent, its version is updated, yeah. So guys, here you can see that the dependency, where is the Firebase UI dependency. Here you can see that Firebase database UI dependency, and it's 6.2.0 current version. Come back in this fragment 4, and now we implemented this recycle view successfully. So after this you need to write holder dot set story, that will be the, we can write first of all get, nah, where is the story view holder. So guys, here we are, we need to actually write is the application get fragment activity, yes, activity, now it's correct. So now we can proceed. So get fragment activity, so just fragment, yeah, just above here we can see, yeah, that's correct, get activity, I was right. So here we need to write that code get activity, and now we can proceed model dot get post URI, then model dot get dot get name, then model dot get time end, then model dot get time upload, then here we can do model dot get type, then model dot get caption, then model dot get URL, then model dot get UID. I think now stuff is complete. So we can do is open this story post URI name time end, uh, post URI name time end, then time upload type caption, time upload type caption, and then URL UID, then URL UID. So guys, I'm doing this because the pattern should be same as it is. So you can see that the pattern which is available here, you have to follow the same thing here in this fragment 4, then it will work absolutely fine. Understand? So guys, now you can see that here you have to change that Firebase recycler adapter story. Understand? And change this recycler view to recycler view story, and also this story. So that will be okay. So guys, now you can see that our coding part is almost complete. So now it's time to run the app. And so guys, now you can see that the app is running absolutely good on screen. So this is our social media app, and this time when I will open this fragment 4, so now you can see that it is crashed, as I said. Actually it happens because whenever you write some first time execution is always create this problem. So open this logcat and click on this. So you can see that it is creating problem because of the type of the button, because we changed it to image button. So here you have to make it image button, and then it will be fine. So this time I will run the back, I will run the app again, and hopefully this time we should not face any error. So you can see that the app is running this time again good. Click on this fragment 4, and here guys you can see that yeah. So guys, you can see that the data is retrieved successfully. So here you can see that the Rahul Jain and the story is visible, my profile is visible. I know that the it is not I mean it is the story is looking upward, and the create post button is in the center. So as I said that we can make this customization later, but for now the good news is that the data is retrieved successfully. And in next tutorial we will implement set on click listener. So when you will click on that story, so you will be able to upload, you will be able to see the data that I uploaded on that story. Understand? So that is enough for this tutorial, and we will also customize this UI more better. We will make it more better. So I hope you guys like this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and join the membership in case if you want source code. Thank you for watching.